So students, this is part 2 and I stopped there that I was explaining this line that what were the what were the dangers that Antonio's ships might face in the oceans. So I told you that ships are nothing but planks of wood, therefore easily destroyable. Sailors are men and therefore they can commit any mistakes. Then land rats, water rats refer to the pirates. Other perils, other dangers of water are such as wind, rocks, etc. Yet Shylock feels that Antonio is sufficient to be a surety to a bond of 3,000 ducats. But one needs to remember here that he has other plans in his mind to be friendly with Antonio in particular and Christians in general. So let us discuss the next topic, that Shylock was ready to do everything except eating with them, drinking with them and praying with them. Now students, many times you have got the word Rialto. Write down, it is the name of the business quarters of Venice, means the Venetian Stock Exchange. Okay. Now underline the word Nazarite, refers to Jesus Christ. Habitation means dwelling place. Conjured means ordered. Rialto, already I told you, the Venetian Stock Exchange where the merchants meet for business transactions. Now, why was Shylock invited to dinner? Bassanio invited Shylock to dine with them so that he can also meet Antonio. Now, students, if I ask you that is Shylock justified in declining the invitation? Here already you got that I will do everything with you except eating, drinking and praying with the Christians. If one thinks from a religious point of view, then Shylock is justified in declining the offer. But if one thinks that it is due to the hatred for the Christians that Shylock has declined to dine with them, means Bassanio, Antonio and others, then it is completely unjustified. Now let me tell you the story behind this, that according to the Christian scriptures, Jesus Christ the Nazarite healed a mad man by ordering the devils that possessed him to leave the man and entered a herd of pigs. Understood students? That is why, and it is against the Jewish religion because Christians eat pork but Jews are restricted of eating pork. That is why Shylock declined the offer. So students, from this extract we understood that Shylock can do business or commercial transactions with the Christians but chooses not to dine with them, means not to have dinner with them. While Bassanio and Shylock were conversing with each other, Antonio enters the scene. Bassanio, this is Signor Antonio, means this is Lord Antonio. Shylock aside. Now this one is very important student. Why Shylock? What Shylock said aside. Aside means in an aside to audience side. Revealed means he was talking, he was expressing his inner grudge against Antonio in one side. Okay, means facing towards the audience. This revealed the inner hatred for Antonio. Shylock's utter hatred for Antonio. How like a fawning publican he looks. Fawning means one who behave excessively in a willingness to please others. Humble behavior to please others. Publican means tax collector. I hate him for he is a Christian, but more for in a low simplicity. Low simplicity means utmost stupidity. Students, I hope you are writing. He lends out money gratis and brings down the rate of usance here with us in Venice. So, money gratis means free of interest. Rate of usance means rate of interest. So, Shylock was very angry with Antonio because with utmost stupidity in a childish foolishness manner, he lends money without interest. Thus, he brings down the rate of interest for other money lenders in Venice. This made Shylock excessive angry towards him. If I can catch him once upon the hip, I will fad the ancient grudge I bear. Students, fad is a metaphor used by Shylock, refers that Shylock will have his revenge on Antonio in the worst way possible whenever Antonio gets even a single window of opportunity. Means whenever Shylock would get a single chance of Antonio's disadvantage, that moment he was going to hold Antonio in a weak spot which would satisfy Shylock's long-standing hatred. That is why he was talking aside towards the audience. He hates our sacred nation. Underline sacred nation. Sacred nation refers to the Jews. Okay. So many times Antonio has abused Shylock for being a Jew and has abused him for his money lending business. That is why Shylock was in such revengeful attitude, and his attitude is very inhuman and cruel. Students, I hope you will read up to this extracts and write down the meanings. Thank you.